Walk into any gaming store or scroll through online gaming forums today, and you'll notice a surprising debate, one that feels straight out of 2012. Gamers are arguing about wired versus wireless mice again. And what's shocking is that wired mice, once considered outdated, are suddenly making a comeback. Competitive players, esports hopefuls, streamers, and even casual gamers are switching back to wired gaming mice. And it's raising an important question. Why are so many gamers dropping wireless devices after years of cordless dominance? The answer lies in a mix of performance demands, new gaming habits, and a return to reliability, something the wired mouse has always been known for. To understand the comeback, you have to start with the modern gaming environment. Competitive games like Valorant, Counter-Strike 2, Apex Legends, Fortnite, and Overwatch demand absolute precision. Every millisecond matters. One missed flick, one delayed shot, or one tracking glitch can change the outcome of a match. Today's players aren't just looking for convenience, they're chasing any competitive edge they can find. And that's where the wired mouse has regained its appeal. The first driving force behind the resurgence is latency. Wireless mice have improved dramatically, but there is still a tiny, sometimes variable, delay in wireless transmission. Professional players can feel that difference, especially during rapid movement or micro-adjustments. A wired mouse eliminates that uncertainty. Input goes directly through the cable into the system with no wireless interference, no signal drops, and no packet loss. It's consistent every single time, and consistency is everything in competitive play. The second major factor is stability. Wireless technology is incredibly advanced today, but it still faces real-world interference. Wi-Fi routers, Bluetooth devices, neighboring wireless setups, metal desks, and even certain LED lights can disrupt wireless signals. Competitive gamers cannot afford a mouse stutter during a tournament or ranked match. Wired mice provide rock-solid reliability, and for serious players, that peace of mind is worth more than the convenience of going wireless. Another big driver is weight. Wireless mice require batteries. Even ultra-light battery cells add grams that many competitive players don't want. Speed-focused gamers have become obsessed with ultra-lightweight peripherals. Mice under 60 grams, with honeycomb shells and minimalist frames. Wired designs make achieving extremely low weight much easier. Many of the top-performing FPS mice on the market today are wired simply because manufacturers can strip them down without worrying about battery limitations. Gamers are also switching back for tournament compliance. Many LAN events, local tournaments, and esports venues still require or prefer wired mice because they are easier to manage, less prone to issues, and eliminate any risk of wireless cross-interference. As competitive scenes grow in popularity, everyday players are adopting the same gear used on stage, and that often means wired mice. A major but often overlooked factor is charging frustration. Wireless mice run out of battery. It happens during matches. It happens during long gaming sessions. Even with fast charging, gamers don't want to stop mid-stream or mid-fight because their mouse died. Wired mice remove that entire category of stress. No charging docks, no swap-in batteries, no cable reconnects, just plug in and play indefinitely. Then there's precision tuning. Many players still believe, and manufacturers often confirm, that wired mice produce the purest sensor performance. No wireless filtering, no power-saving modes, no signal compression, just raw input. For FPS purists, that purity matters. Interestingly, the comeback is also tied to gaming desk setups. As cable management solutions become more popular, including mouse bungees, drag-free mounts, and ultra-flexible paracord cables, the traditional wired mouse drag problem has essentially disappeared. Modern wired gaming mice use lightweight braided cables designed to feel nearly wireless. When paired with a bungee, the cable lifts off the desk and glides smoothly, removing the biggest historical disadvantage of wired designs. Another driver is price sensitivity. Wired mice are almost always cheaper than wireless versions with equivalent specs. In an era where graphics cards, monitors, and even keyboards are getting more expensive, gamers are looking for places to save money without losing performance. A $40 to $80 wired mouse with a top-tier sensor often outperforms a $120 to $160 wireless model in raw responsiveness. That value is attracting a new wave of competitive players. The resurgence also ties into longevity and durability. Wired mice have fewer components that can fail over time. No batteries that degrade, no charging coils that break, no wireless receivers to lose. Many players who kept their wired mice from 5 or even 10 years ago find they still work perfectly. That kind of longevity is rare in wireless gaming gear. Another interesting factor is streaming and content creation. As gaming content continues to grow, creators need consistent, predictable equipment. Dropped wireless signals during a live stream can ruin footage or disrupt camera sync tools. Wired mice remove that risk entirely. For creators who play for hours on end, reliability becomes more important than cable-free aesthetics. Even nostalgia plays a role. Many younger competitive players grew up watching esports legends use wired mice. Those iconic images influence purchasing decisions. Classic wired models are making a comeback because they carry a sense of authenticity and competitive legacy. Looking ahead, the wired mouse revival isn't likely to replace wireless entirely. Both will continue to coexist. But the shift signals something important. Gamers are prioritizing performance again. Not convenience, not minimalism, not desk cleanliness. Pure, reliable, high-precision input. We're likely to see even lighter wired mice under 50 grams. More paracord-style cables that feel wireless. Specialty wired editions of popular wireless models. Pro-tier wired-only designs for esports. Hybrid mice that operate wired first, wireless second. But the core truth driving this trend is simple. Competitive gamers want absolute control. They want precision, responsiveness, and reliability without compromise. Wired mice deliver exactly that. The comeback of wired gaming mice isn't about going backward. It's about gamers rediscovering what gives them the edge. And in the world of high-stakes competitive play, that edge makes all the difference.